guys, today we're going to teach you how to change the cabin air filter for the GLE 350. So we got this air filter from AutoZone and we'll show you how to change it. So first step, you got to open the hood. Okay. Now the hood is open. Okay, now the hood is open. You have all that stuff. You gotta close it like this. So open this. And you keep it here because you gotta open these three flaps. So here, here, and here. There you go. And you keep it. You gotta close it with a little finger. Here we're gonna close this off. So you just use a little bit force down, then you pull it, then you pull it out. And there we go. We got the first finger out. Now these are two inner filters that we're gonna remove. Inner cabin filters we just remove right now. Now we put it over here. So now we're gonna put the new carbon filters, and let's do that. We're gonna start so the mold dies. Now we're putting the fan on full blow so that it can kill the mold. And so yeah, we turn the fan full blow. There you go. Now the filter is all set, and now we will have fresh air.